Good Thursday morning. What are we making today? Chili corn tacos from Del Monte, 1969. We're stuck in 1969. I came across this vintage Del Monte print ad from 1969, Chili Corn Tacos. Kind of fun title. Yes, I know, the last recipe we did was from 1969. It was a very popular year for recipes. I could not find Del Monte tomato sauce. I don't know if these are the right stewed tomatoes. It says stewed tomatoes, original recipe, and of course we've got whole and sweet whole kernel corn. In the print ad it says family style. What does that mean? I haven't been able to find it. A pack of chili seasoning mix. We're going Great Value. I've never tried it. I like Great Value. Pound of ground beef. Now it's early Thursday morning. Why? Why am I going to make this now? I'm a firm believer that chili or stews taste better after they've been in the fridge a little while. The recipe also calls this a chili, so it says serve as a chili or in tacos. I got some corn chips. We'll try it as a chili and we'll try it in the tacos. Maybe we'll put some tomatoes and onions and lettuce on. We'll make it, oh cheese. We'll make it a deluxe. Ooh, can we use our Vision's deep skillet? Is it deep enough? It might not be. We haven't used it in a while. Let's use our Vision's deep skillet. Del Monte Chili Corn Tacos. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you and I'm the only.
Great. Just great.
All the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets.
Before we get to the tacos, let's try the chili. I did not let it sit in the fridge. After breaking the jar of liquid shortening on the floor, it just seemed like I wasn't gonna wait. I did simmer it about 30 to 40 minutes. It says in the recipe simmer for 15. The longer you simmer, the more tender the meat. It looks really good. I deliberately left out the liquid from the corn and the tomatoes because I wanted it thick for the tacos. I think if you're making a bowl of chili, you could put in the liquid from the cans. Let's give it a taste. It's nice and thick. I really like how it looks. I'm also kind of glad there are no beans. It looks really good. Let's give it a taste. Del Monte, chili con... I want to say chili con carne. Del Monte, chili corn tacos. Let's try it. Wow. Ooh, I really like that. It's got a dark redness to it. Also, I cut the celery small. I think if you're just making chili, you could make the celery bigger if you wanted. Oh, I really like that. Oh my gosh. It's not too spicy. Great value chili packet. It's got a lot of flavor. It's not hot. If you want it hot, I think you have to add some more spice. Oh, I'm happy. Let's try it with a corn chip. Oh, I did cut up the stewed tomatoes. You don't see that in the video. They were big pieces. There's a big piece. God damn it! Here we go. Ooh. Oh, it's really good. You know, give me a bowl of this with some sour cream and the sides like lettuce. We got some shredded lettuce too. Give me a bowl of this with some sour cream and some sides. Forget about it. We're going to top this off. It is going in the fridge. Very nice. Very happy with it as a chili. Wow. Let's check out these taco shells. Taco shells. El Paso. I spilled that jar of liquid shortening on the floor. That's fat. I had fat all over the floor, man. We need 2 to recreate the picture. This was a good recipe. Very simple, very delicious. It looks good. It looks better than the picture they have. That never happens. All right, I gotta hold it in my hand, okay? Here we go. Oh. They just stuffed them with this. Why? Why? This would not go out to the customer. Nope. All right, we got 1. So I don't spill it. Oh, the thickness is great. Maybe we'll do 3 tacos. I gotta get the camera. Get the camera. Put the... Oh! Corn tacos. Oh. Oh, it looks really good. Let's try one. Del Monte Corn Taco from 1969. Huh. Maybe these chips were out too long. They're a little tough. Think I should have eaten them right away. The chips are, they're not that crispy. Let's put some toppings on. We're not going for perfection here, but just a couple of tomatoes. We don't need many. Just, all right, a little lettuce, a little cheese. Whoa. Let's take a bite if we can. Hold it in. Here we go. Oh, that's a mess. Maybe it's a tortilla. Enchilada? I like having the stuff on it. It's just messy. Oh yeah. Oh man. Okay. I think this is how you should eat it. Forget about the tacos. And I don't even think you need to make it soupier. It's missing a dab of sour cream, but I'm saving it for Saturday. Get a little bit of lettuce. Lettuce crunch. That's very good, man. I'll make this again. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Don't break your liquid shortening on the floor!